called search sprite. And first, before that, we will discuss about this exploitdb.com. This is the exploit database, and here on the main page you can see some CVEs, and you can see the software name and the remote code execution. So if you go into this, you will get the manual exploit. You can download and test it against this software. So here there is a option to download this exploit, and for some applications you will have the vulnerable application to download also. So this is the exploit db, and you can use this search option to search for say ch exploits. Then you will see all the records with the sch in the title name. So this is only the basic search, and also you need some internet to connect to this expert database, and you need to search through this website. So this is some nice website, but this website will have a database, right? And this database will be used by our tool called search sprite, and this will automatically get the results based on this regular expressions. So it has some more such capabilities than this website. So let's go ahead into Kali Linux, and let me type search sprite and -h for the help page. Here you can see there are a lot of options, and you can see these are the search terms. If you put the -c, it will be case sensitive. So by default the search sprite is case insensitive. It will, if you say capital A, it will also get the results for the small a also, and you need to specify -c for exact term. And if you can also give the -t option to search in the title of that exploit name, and you can see -p to describe the path of this exploit, -v for verbose to see what's happening, and -u for update, -h for help. So these are the basic options we will see in the search sprite. So all we need to do is we need to say search sprite, let's say buffer overflow, and there you can see there are so many exploits regarding this buffer overflow. Now you can also say buffer overflow and sch, and you get the multiple options combined in this sch buffer overflow. So now what I want to do is I want the exact value of this buffer overflow. So it has given this buffer overflow. Now let me say buffer overflow 1. So it's exactly getting the results of this buffer overflow 1. Now let us say search for eternal blue. This is the famous exploit. We will be doing this manual exploitation later, and you can see this eternal blue contains of 3 exploits, and both these 3 are the remote exploits. You can see here remote, so you can assume that you will get some reversal or anything like that because of this remote. So if you want to use this exploit, you need to copy this, or first there is a inbuilt option in search sprite. You need to say -p. -p, you need to define the edb id, exploit database id. The id is this number. Let me copy this, and hit enter. Now it will show you the url from the exploit db website, and also the absolute path of this remote 42315.py. And another way you need to you can find this, you need to copy this file, and you can simply say locate, and you will get the exact path of this file. And you can also say cp dollar symbol, and you can locate this 42315.py. So what this dollar symbol does is it will execute this command, and it will put the output here. So we are simply copying this file path to say desktop. So that's it is similar to CP USR share exploit DB exploits Windows Remote 42315.py to desktop. It is similar to this, but we can use this dollar symbol to uh, get run this command and set the output here. So we also can do this case sensitive search in searchsprite -c buffer overflow. Now we got the no results because by default there are only exploits with capital B and capital O, right? Every exploit has been named like camel case. First letter is uppercase, and the first letter of the every word is uppercase. So what we have done is we are specifying to do not search for any other upper cases or the lower cases except this one. So it will only search for lowercase buffer overflow. It will not search for uppercase buffer overflow. That is useful for the use of this C option. If you enter, you will get the no results. So you can also type SEH. Now it will not get any results. So that's all for this video. Searchsprite. This Searchsprite is mainly used for searching these results, and I hope if you even search for multiple results, you will get the results and you can just use the exploit. This is the main purpose of this Searchsprite tool.